Let's continue with the blog and news button. To create a new article, click Create a Post. First enter the title for the article, then start writing, or just copy/paste the content of the article. You can add an image and video as well. When we finish writing, we click Create a New Post and see that the list includes our new post with a date, title, edit button and delete button. From here we can click Edit and modify our article, or we can delete it if we think that there is no need for that post. The blog and news element is intended for digital newspapers and blogs or news sections of any app. Next element is the carousel or slider. When you open the carousel element, you will see a list, similar to the blog and news element. Before we add new slides, in additional options you can adjust the height of the slider in pixels. Now click to the blue button, plus create a new slider. Here we have several options, a slider with images, or a more complex slider with action buttons, titles and images. If you decide with the first option, leave the first 3 fields blank, then choose an image from your computer or choose a color from the board, and press Save Slide. We are back to the dashboard. In the list of slides we have the first slide completed. Let's try out the second option. We create a new slide, add title, add call to action button title, and from link to page we select a page that we want to be linked with this button. We choose an image from our computer and open it, or we choose a color from the color picker and click the Save slider. If we want something to change we click Edit, or if we want to delete we click the Delete button. We can add as many slides as we want, and in the end click the Save button. The last design element is the content slider. Keep in mind, for a content slider, your pages that you want to include in the slider must be already done. Let's begin. We open the element, set a title of the slider in the label field, then a category title in the category field. For example, Demo. We set the category name and click Save. In order for the slider to work, we need to write down this category title for each of the pages we want included in the slider. Go to a page and click the Page Settings button. Scroll down to Advanced Settings and set the last 2 options. Insert image as a thumbnail of the page and type in the category title, from our example demo. Notice that it has to be the exact same category title in all your pages that will appear in this content slider. In this example I have set 3 pages that I want to be in my slider. Thanks for watching, see you in the next tutorial.